In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best multifunctional table saws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the multifunctional table saws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Portable Woodworking Table Saw. This precision cutting machine is designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 45-degree cutting angle for accurate results, a multifunction design for versatile woodworking, and a dust-proof system for a cleaner work environment. Powered by electricity, it ensures efficient wood cutting. Its compact size makes it ideal for workshops or job sites, providing convenience and high performance in one tool. Number 4, DUTRIEUX WJ80 Folding Saw Table, perfect for woodworkers seeking precision and portability. This foldable woodworking saw table is lightweight yet sturdy, weighing only 54 kilograms. Its compact, foldable design allows for easy storage and transport. The horizontal design ensures precise sawing, making it an excellent choice for both on-site work and workshop use. Whether for professionals or hobbyists, it provides efficiency, convenience, and excellent performance. Number 3, 6-inch Electric Woodworking Table Saw. This 2500W table saw is ideal for DIYers and professional woodworkers alike. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the adjustable blade height and depth allow for various cuts. Equipped with safety guards, it provides a secure working environment. The powerful motor delivers high efficiency, making it perfect for precise and fast wood cutting. Whether for home projects or professional tasks, it guarantees performance and reliability. Number 2, Dust-Free Precision Panel Saw. Designed for woodworkers who prioritize precision and cleanliness, this panel saw features a high-power motor for efficient cutting. Its horizontal style allows for easy operation, while the built-in vacuum motor ensures a dust-free workspace. With precision cutting capabilities, it guarantees perfect results every time. Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts, it offers both high performance and a clean working environment, enhancing productivity and comfort. Number 1, Dust-Free Woodworking Table Saw. This high-precision table saw is a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts. With a 1.2 kW dust collection power, it keeps workspaces clean and safe. 3 independent switches ensure easy operation, while its 4500 RPM motor speed allows for precise cuts. With a 98% dust collection efficiency, it minimizes mess and maximizes productivity. Whether for professional workshops or home use, it delivers top-tier performance in a compact and efficient design.